How I lost money by not budgeting. Losing money by not budgeting is a lesson many of us learn the hard way. At first, it feels liberating to spend without tracking every dollar. You treat yourself to a morning coffee, order takeout after a long day, or buy that pair of shoes you've had your eye on. Each purchase seems small, almost insignificant. But over time, these decisions add up in ways you don't notice, until you check your bank account and wonder where it all went. Without a budget, it's easy to underestimate how much you're truly spending. Bills, subscriptions, groceries, and entertainment can blend together into a blur of transactions. You might convince yourself you're staying afloat, but the reality of pay is often different. Unplanned expenses, like car repairs or medical bills, hit hard because there's nothing set aside for emergencies. Credit card debt sneaks up, with interest piling on month after month. Opportunities pass by too. Without a plan, saving for a vacation, a new car, or even retirement becomes a distant dream rather than a concrete goal. Watching friends build toward their futures while you scramble to cover rent can be discouraging. The stress of living paycheck to paycheck grows heavier with each unexpected expense. Looking back, the real loss wasn't just financial, it was peace of mind. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about clarity and control. Knowing where your money goes means you can make informed choices, save for what matters, and avoid the anxiety of the unknown. The lesson is clear. Not budgeting costs more than dollars. It costs security, opportunities, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. By taking the time into budget, you regain control and set yourself up for a brighter, more stable future. Thank you for watching.